Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Casey from TriGardening, and we're here to bring you another cool episode in the garden. Today we're going to show you how to debud bee balm. So let's go ahead and get started. So bee balm is a wonderful plant for pollinators. As you can see in the video, we've got our little bumblebee here. And the reason you're going to want to debud your bee balm is that after it's done flowering, like it is in this beautiful stage here, you're going to have a dead head. So if you want more bee balm throughout the season, you're going to want to prune it, and that's what we're going to show you how to do. So first we have to see Pig sleeping. But here we are, and you can see the same bee balm a couple of weeks later is now dead, and I'm going to show you right here where you should cut it. So you see these new sprouts starting, and you're going to cut right above those new sprouts. And we'll show you a couple different times. See here, we're going to be cutting right above the stem just with a pair of clippers or scissors. You're going to want to do this throughout all of your bee balm plants after they have died. And this one we just want to show you how cool it is. It's got a double flower. I've never seen this before, so hope you all appreciate it like we did, the weird things in the garden.
Double flower.
Alright everyone, thank you so much. This is a really simple thing that you can do in the garden and just keep bringing those pollinators constantly throughout the season. So definitely get out there and get your scissors and get moving. Thank you once again so much for tuning in, and hope you have a great weekend and look forward to hearing from you soon.